Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This is Tish, and today I want to share with you a new bag that I'll be taking back to work and can feel all the things in it. Stay tuned. I have been looking for a backpack to carry to work for quite some time, but just didn't want to bite the bullet and spend a lot of money. But when I saw this Reaction by Kenneth Cole backpack, I knew that I had to have it, and it was even better because it was doing a back to school sale, and I believe this backpack has been around for quite a minute. So I was able to score it for maybe about $30. Yes, I think it was $30. And I absolutely love everything about it. I love the color. I love the pattern in the front and the gold hardware. Everything about it screams Tish. So the style got me at first, and then when I started to open it up to see all of the pockets that are included and the little hideaway spaces, I just knew that I could definitely carry this to work. So let's get started to see what is in my work bag. In the very back compartment, there is a beautifully lined, padded section that is for laptops, and it can fit up to 15 inches in size for laptop. My work laptop is not that size. It's a tad bit smaller, and I have a very thick case on it, and even with the case, it does not add any bulkiness to the backpack once it's included in there. So in the back section, I have my laptop, and I keep a very small umbrella in here also. So as you can see, these things fit very well in this back pocket. Now, this is the pocket that carries most of everything in it, and I was kind of worried that everything that I need to take, it wouldn't fit, but to my surprise, it worked out really great. So, as you can see, there is another padded space in the back of this particular section, and it fits tablets. So on a normal work day, I'll have a bag for my iPad and the chargers and my iPad stand, but now I can ditch this bag, one less bag, although you will see several bags. I can ditch this big bag because, as you can see, it will be very bulkier in this bag. So with the additional padded space for a tablet, I can now take my iPad out of this bag and just keep it stored with everything else that I take. And as I'll show you a little later, the chargers and things all have another size in this bag. I typically carry a lot of bags anyway, and carrying a over-the-shoulder tote bag was weighing a little heavy on me, so I wanted something that had a little bit more support. So here is a larger bag. It can fit my journals. It can fit a smaller planner, journal, documents, and receipts I can keep in the larger bag. And I needed something that was going to accommodate my planner. My planner is an A5, and it's pretty thick, so whatever bag I toted around with me, it was going to have to accommodate my planner. And I have a smaller bag for pens, highlighters, flash drives, and some smaller planner related items. And I have a tech bag that I made, and I now offer in my shop, shoptishb.com. This bag holds my chargers, my battery chargers, and things like that. And because I'm not going to be carrying a purse during the work day, I have my wallet that fits in here just fine. And this is the inside of the main section of the backpack that's open. And as you can see, there are extra pockets. I'm able to put my mouse in here, but there is a lot of storage. Kenneth Cole really thought about the busy person. Okay, in this front pocket, this is where I keep some items that I can reach and grab if I were to be driving or just needed easy access to these things. So I always keep extra notebooks, some smaller notebooks, so if I need to take notes or jot down ideas, I do have access to that. And I have some extra sanitizing wipes, hand sanitizer that I can keep in this bag while I am on the go. And that pocket is what I house those things in, and it can also button up. But because I tend to take quite a few things, that button is not going to do anything. And if you look down into this section, there are so many more hiding spots and zippers where smaller items can be stored in these areas. But right now they are empty. I have a smaller bag, and this one is also available on shoptishb.com. But if I want to have a little purse of some sort or a little clutch, I can carry these bags. The smaller one will be used for coins and cards, and it's just something small and compact that I can take with me easily on the go and not have to worry about toting this backpack and a purse. In the very front pocket, I have just smaller essentials that I tend to grab often, like my gum, my lip balm, and some disinfectant spray. That's what I will have in this very front pocket, and it's also very roomy. And more sanitizer. During these times, I don't think we'll be able to have enough of it, so I just try to keep it with me everywhere I go. I also like to take bottled water and beverages with me when I am on the go, but I am not looking for this bag to house those things for me because I take a very large water container, so I won't be storing any water or snacks in this bag. I will have a separate container that houses those important things for me. And as you can see, I can stuff all of this back in here, and by adjusting the straps in the back of the backpack, I am able to carry it, better than just the two straps around my shoulder and with maybe one or two more bags. But I am so happy that I stumbled upon this great find for, I don't even know if it's a fraction of the cost of what it was when I first saw it. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and stick around for a little bit. Your support definitely helps me and my growing channel, and it aids me in connecting with you a little bit more. Until next time, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.